In 2018, Sushant, along with entrepreneur Varun Mathur, co-founded a company called Insai. On LinkedIn, the firm is described as a first-of-its-kind venture in the Indian market that will tap into the growing intellectual property ownership market in India, followed by the global markets. It further adds that Insai will initially focus its energies on 4 segments, namely content and communication, health and holistic wellness, education and learning, and business incubation powered by emerging technologies from the realm of augmented reality and virtual reality, 3D printing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc. Sushant was really invested in the making of Insai. These handwritten notes reveal for the first time the planning that went into making his firm. Note 1 mentions script reading, movies and analysis. Note number 2 talks about virtual reality and superhero content. Note 3 details his plans about a Netflix show. Note 4 talks about his plan to play Swami Vivekananda. Note 5 goes on to detail the education app. Note 6 is about self-musings, pictures and daily thoughts. Note 7 is about the plan to form a lobby of influencers for his product. Note 8 talks about wanting to meet Elon Musk and Narendra Modi. Note 9 is about featuring Sushant Singh Rajput in NASA and bringing on board India's best technical team. Note 10 talks about making a time travel app. Note 11 is called The Heart of India. Note 12 is a list of skills ranging from fashion to artists to dance. Note 13 mentions fashion, education and seeding. Note 14 talks about Joshua, Sneha and Rachel, while the subject being cymatics in time. Note 15 is about crime and empowerment. Note 16 is about making a dent in poverty and monetizing 20 million people. And Note 17 is about his flowchart on education. Nandini Sharma, the head of communications of Insai Ventures, played a key role in building Insai with Sushant.
Got to know that that guy is so intelligent. You know, there's other side of SSR which people do not know about. He was a genius. He was the best boss I've ever had. Plan was that he wanted to make a couple of Netflix films on OTT platforms, films on biopics on Michael Bhutia, Swami Vivekananda. He wanted to make an education app. He had plans to give back to society. How many actors do we know of today who actually thinks of doing this? As a scientist from NASA had actually messaged him saying that, if you were not a Bollywood star, you would have ended up being the brightest scientist India could have ever had. And I want to share this because I want the people to know that he was such a bright guy. This entire theory of depression and bipolar issues is just, it's so difficult to fathom.
So what happened to that company? Why did it shut abruptly? And why did the companies in which Riya and Shovik later became directors take off out of nowhere?
Company that was rolled out by Sushant Singh Rajput in the year 2018, which had a full 3-year plan in place. But abruptly, it was shut in the year 2019. Mysteriously, 2 other companies were brought in with Riya Chakravarti and Shovik Chakravarti as directors. But interestingly, they had the same charter, just like Insai Ventures. The question is, why did Insai Ventures shut down abruptly in the year 2019?